Okay. So stand by for your presentation. Just turn on your camera and anytime you're
Can you
ready.
see me? Can you see me? My camera is turned already. Like, I want to check if it. Can you see me?
We can see you. Everything's fine.
Okay. So now I begin. Since the birth of mankind and until now, people have strived for progress. Starting from a digging stick thousands of years ago, people came to the invention of computers and artificial intelligence. AI itself is an invention of very recent times, but at the same time, it's a tremendous and one of the greatest inventions created by people. According to the statistics, the use of AI in different industries is growing every year. In my presentation, I want to focus on the use of AI in financial sector, and more specifically on its tremendous importance in tracking the market situation through its technical analysis. My proposal is to create an AI program that will primarily be engaged in technical analysis of the market situation and analysis of securities and shares of each company separately for a certain period of time, where technical analysis will be a set of tools for predicting likely price changes based on the pattern of price changes in the past. Any investor will say that when analyzing the situation in the market, you need to use such analysis. After the analysis, I will detect some pattern, and based on it, will make a graph showing the behavior of each company separately for a certain period of time. For companies, banks, brokers, and people involved in the investments, this innovation will be very useful and convenient due to the fact that it will be no longer necessary to conduct technical analysis. However, persons should still be involved in the process by conducting fundamental analysis because it's very unlikely that uh, artificial intelligence is capable of such analysis. To improve this innovation, I find it necessary to insert early warning systems from AI. Uh, if the program detects through technical analysis that stock and securities curve are behaving irregularly, then AI will send a notification that irregularity has been detected. This will help to
Mhm.
find out earlier about what is happening with shares and securities in terms of technical analysis. Person, company, or bank that receives such notification will conduct fundamental analysis and compare it with technical analysis that was done by the artificial intelligence, after which certain conclusions will be made about how to proceed with shares and securities. Such innovation will help to prevent fraud and will help to prevent fraud on the stock exchange through the suspicious price speculation. If the program is implemented at the state level, it will help people to get rid of scammers, which in turn will attract more investors and will let them be confident in purchasing shares and securities because they will be actually protected from losing big amount of money. Based on the general situation, I came to the conclusion that such innovation will not only be very useful and sustainable, but it can also serve as an impetus for the development of AI in financial sector. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So we've gone from force to finance. Um, I'm going to ask Anuli Debussy from the University of Toronto to ask the first question.
Thank you very much. That was an interesting topic. And my question is really around motivation. What led you to embark on this study? Yeah.
So I'm very interested in finance and politics for a long time. It's more than my hobby, and finance and AI can coexist. It will AI, as I mentioned, can serve as an impetus for development of artificial intelligence. So yeah, that is what inspired me and how I made my presentation. Thank you for the question.
Thank you.
And and thank you for the answer. Brock University's Professor Todd Green has the next question for you.
Thanks so much for your presentation. I did finance in my undergrad something like 25 years ago, so really, really long time ago. Anyways, so I was like you, I was really interested in investing. I have a quick question. Do you think there will be objections to this innovation from bankers or investors? And if you do think there could be objections, how would you try to overcome them?
So I don't really know what bankers and investors will think about my innovation, but I think that if they will find out about it, if they will think that this actually can work and will help people to prevent fraud and to replace the brain with AI at this aspect, I mean technical analysis, then if they agree, they can use such innovation.
Great. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for the question.
Thank you. And thank you for keeping your answers so short.